another vlog for today. And I know most of us install a water filter at home or whichever house you stay there, whether it's in an apartment or in your bungalow or whatever. So if we do have that water filter, and of course that water filter we have to maintain it, right, by changing the part of it, whichever part of it, and sometimes we do call the technician to change the part of it because maybe it's already spoiled or whatever, because there's no thing that it will last longer. So maybe after a few months part of it will get spoiled or something like that. So most of it is when we mostly we do change our water filter, right? So not actually the whole water filter, but the only thing is that we do have this so-called pre-filter cartridge. So when we do have this one, actually we don't need to call a technician for this. We can change it on our own. So will I show you? So this is the sample of pre-filtered cartridge. This one, yeah. So this is it. Just show you the sample. So this is the pre-filter cartridge. So we normally use this when we change our filter cartridge, because after some times or maybe before a month, this one will turn brown or rusty, because this is where they filtered the incoming water before it goes to our filter machine. So let's go. I'm going to show you how I do it on my own without waiting for our partner, without waiting for our husband to do it for us. So we ladies can do it too. So let's go, be with me, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So come on. So this is our pre-filter cartridge. So let's take one out from the box. There were 3 inside, but I used top one, and now I'm going to take one more out from the box and left one. So this is the cartridge, pre-filtered cartridge. Okay, see that it's clearly white. So let's remove the plastic wrapping. And when you hold it, just put your finger through right at the center of the hole, so you won't touch the white part. And just place it here for a while. So before that, let's off this main water here. So once you open here, you won't splash on you or somewhere around. Just need a little bit strength to open this. It's quite tight, but I can do it. Here we go. Okay, just lift up the thing and remove the whole thing from up. And let's now remove the cover from it so we can take out the dirt filter cartridge from it. Have you seen that? That is the color, rusty color, brown color. So when you see this, you just change it immediately. You don't have to wait for another week or a month. So just discard the water from inside here. Just pour it down inside the container and just put it back. So now let's replace this one here. This is the new one, clear and clean, clearly white. Let's now put back the cover. Tighten the cup with your hands. And let's check the leaks. Make sure to cover it and tighten the cover properly to avoid any leak. Okay, so that's it. Let's just put properly. Here we go. Ta-da! So now let's on back the water from the main. Here we go. And let's see, the water is going up. It's refilling up. You see that? So that's it. Very simple. So you do it, guys. It's very costless when you do it on your own. You see that? So this is the filter machine where you can take your water from warm to hot. It's on the BIO PURE. So that's it. Very simple. We ladies can do it without waiting for our partner, right? So actually the recommendation of changing this product is after 3 months. Change after 3 months. But for me, honestly, if I say my filter cartridge is turning brown or rusty, I will change it without waiting for 3 months. Even it's not 3 months yet, if you see your filter is already turning brown or rusty, you can change it. Okay, so you don't have to wait for the exact 3 months. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video, guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye.